Okay, I wanted to do a quick grocery haul. We just got back from Sprouts and I'm meal prepping for the new year, and so I thought I would share with you guys what I got. I picked up a couple teas. This one I haven't tried before, but I really love the throat coat for the winter time, especially with colds and different things. I also picked up some chia seeds and ground flax seeds. I love these in my smoothies, and I picked up another big bag of frozen berries for smoothies, and also spinach for smoothies. And then here's all the produce I got. I got some sweet potatoes for some meals. All this stuff is for meals. Avocado, cilantro, peppers, zucchini, carrots, apples for snacks, oranges for snacks, spaghetti squash for another meal, a red onion, and then picked up some strawberries and raspberries, and then these dairy-free yogurts, pasta sauce, and beef broth, and then yogurts for my daughter as well. Okay, so I took everything out of the fridge. I'm gonna wipe it down, clean out the drawers. I also have these placemats in here to catch from spills, but they're not really doing their job, so we're gonna take those out too. Took out these drawers, wiped those down, took all of these off, cleaned those, and now all this stuff has to go inside. This right here is leftovers that need to be dumped, thrown away. Some of this stuff needs to be cleaned up and thrown away and go back in the fridge. Okay, here's the after. Everything's clean. Everything is reorganized, all back in the drawers. Got some produce over here. Feels nice to have a cleaned out fridge, even though it kind of took a little bit. And we're ready for healthy meals in the new year.